Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well. Uh, I thought to make a video on DAX in Power BI. Let's learn from this video and later on I will add more videos about different DAX function. So please subscribe, follow, like and comment my video. Okay, let's start. Before moving to anything, first we need to know what is DAX. As you see, DAX is a full form of data analysis expression and is known as functional language, which means calculations mostly use functions to generate the result. As well as this DAX is designed for enhancing data modeling, reporting, and analytics capability. Okay, let's move on. Now in DAX, how many data types we have? We have whole number, decimal, boolean, text, date, currency, and the blank, that means not applicable. We can see that in database, we used to see null values. So here is a not applicable. Normally in DAX, it is possible to define the data type of each column based on your requirement. We can customize the type. Then why we are customizing the selection of this best data type, which helps to reduce the size of the data model and improve the performance, because when we are loading the data, when we are refreshing the data, it helps to improve the performance. And as well as when we are querying any reports, when we are using any reports, at that time also it's helping to improve the performance. Now DAX operator. Okay, how many operators category we have in DAX? Comparison, arithmetic, text, and logical. So there are four categories. Comparison means that equal to, not equal to, greater than equal to, less than equal to, all those signs. Arithmetic, all we know, plus, minus, multiplication, exponential, all those things. Now in text, that is a concatenate sign. Okay, and in logical operator we have and operator, or operator, and not. Okay, next go to the DAX function. How many categories of DAX functions we have? Date and time, time intelligence, information, logical, mathematical, statistical, text, parent and child, and different other functions also. We'll learn more about all those functions category in our next videos. Now we are in DAX component. What is DAX component? Because any data model is consist of data, relationships, tables, columns, everything is consist of an object. Okay, and there's that object helps us to analyze the data or find out the story from the data. Okay, in DAX data model, how many components we have? We have 6 components. First, data, tables, columns, relationships, measures, and hierarchies. Okay, relationship means like joining two tables. Measures is from the calculated measures and from a existing physical column. Okay, and hierarchy is like our any product hierarchy, our date hierarchy, all those things. Let's move on to some practical experience. Now we are in Power BI desktop. Okay, so I have imported one data set, that is our US superstore data. So when I imported the data, by default I will get all these sales, quantity, profit, postal code, because these are the number fields. So by default it will take the aggregation logic on the number field. Okay, now we'll create some calculated measure. Okay, so I have cells. What you will do? Right click, new measure. So don't move any other page, just you should keep it in a report view. Okay, so first I will create total sales equal to sum of sales. So my total sales measure is created. Now Now I will create another calculated measure. Right click and I will create total profit, sum of profit. Okay, so my two DAX calculated measures are ready. Now I will give you another example about calculated column. And click on this new column. Okay, now we'll create another calculated column, that is total cost. So total cost means total sales minus total profit. And this is my new calculated column. Now I'll show you how to create a new table. What you need to do? Let us move to this home tab first. Now table tools. Go to new table. So in DAX, we can create one date table. How we can create that date dimension? dim_date. And we can use calendar auto function. Now you can observe our date table is created with one column, one date column with hierarchy year, quarter, month, day. So you can observe how DAX is really helping to improve the data model and data analysis capability. So in my next video, I will talk about different DAX function. So in this video, you got some idea about DAX. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment, and please let us know your feedback. Okay, thank you.